Hey jewelry makers, I wanted to bring you a finished jewelry update. I've only done one in a year, so I thought it was time to bring you another one. This is probably not all the jewelry that I've made. You know, I sell some, I give some, but here's what I could come up with. Alright, so this is probably the last jewelry tutorial that I did, was this shadow box bracelet. Here's that one, and this one. There's a tutorial video up on my channel. That's got the 2 shadow boxes. That's got 4. And you could pretty much use whatever bead you wanted to, whatever bead that you wanted to highlight in these boxes. They work better if they're flatter. Okay, there's that. Let me shut my window. The dogs are barking. Here is the dual image bracelet. There's also a tutorial on this. This uses the Paisley Duos, and it's got 2 different images. It's got a flower, or it's got this other component. That's why I called it dual image. There's that one, and the purple. Okay, and then we have the candy bracelets. These are featuring check candy beads and silkies, check silkies. There's a different color way here. It also features the check flower in this one. Ooh. And we have here the Tila and Super Duo bracelet. Let me move these out of the way so they're not distracting. I thought I did this, and I've got another one it's got the like teal ocean colors, I believe. Okay, there's that one. I've got a video for that one also. And this is the Super Duo. It's featuring Super Duos, Tilas, and half Tilas. Oh my goodness. Just a minute. Let me take these out of the way. All right. Now, let's look at some other woven, bead woven bracelets. This was the Moby Duo bracelets, stackables. Some cute little summery bracelets. Featuring check pearls, Moby Duos, and bicones. Okay. And those are some, you know, smaller, like I said, stackable bracelets. I've got a I made a couple of charm bracelets. I gave one, so far I gave one to my youngest daughter, but I got this one left. This is featuring the check, that strand of check beads I bought at Hobby Lobby. Pretty pink. The porcelain beads we got in a December's dollar bead box. The bonus strands, and these pretty. It was they have specialty strands, check glass beads. So that was featured in them, and in antique brass. It's a pretty charm bracelet. This I designed. It was I think I made the stitch. I used let's see, like Russian spiral, but I used Super Duos, and it came out with these awesome stripes. I thought that was cool. I think I'm gonna do a video on that soon. I made the end caps with Delicas, and I put these on here just to give it a little space, and beaded a toggle with Delicas. I thought that was pretty cool. Okay. I made some stretchies out of mainly, let's see, the beads here look to be out of the Bargain Bead box, different months. So here's a set out of, I believe it was month before this. Okay, I haven't got this month's, and it wasn't last month's. That was the lemons, so this was probably the month before that. I'll probably make one more to go with this set, but that's that big porcelain bead. And then let's see, it's got we got some agate and some, I think these are not real turquoise, they're synthetic turquoise. Okay, there's that set. And I made, you remember those cute lemons? Those these sliced lemons from last month. And then that I put the lemon drops also on. It's featuring the, let's see, there was agate, that yellow agate, and then the crackled agate. Oh, and I also, what was missing, I believe, was the pink. They didn't put any pink or like grapefruit colors in the box. It was citrus. I think it was called citrus. So I added those beautiful drucks that I got from Michaels, the 8mm drucks, and I thought they were perfect for this set. I also used that 3 of the Lampwork glass beads in the center strand. I really like this set. Citrus isn't big this year, so which that's awesome. That worked out good. So there's those. And then this is just one that I like. These, I hadn't used these metallic pearlized rondelles. I put a lot of metal and some of those, oh, what's those? Pandora style beads. So that's one lone bracelet. I'll probably make some to go with it. And this, let's see, I made this set here also from the from the Bargain Bead box. It's got those Millefiori flowers. It's got the real light, like jonquil rondelles, the antique bronze or brass spacer beads, and then the big fancier crystal beads. And then I put some of the I put 3, if you can see here, of the charms that we got in the Burgundy box in the blue box. I put those on one of them. Let's see, that goes like that. Everybody loves stretchies, and they're simple to make, and they are really a good, they sell pretty well. So let me move these and see. I made this sort of cuff. Okay, and now for the necklaces and lariats. This is lariat I made from 1 month. A lot of featuring the Burgundy box. It's been quite a few months ago. These were pearls from wine-colored or bronzy-colored pearls from my stash that I already had. But these beautiful, I think they're striped agate beads. I just used the tree components and hung them from there. And in similar fashion, I made one out of Xinjiang turquoise, freshwater pearls, some check pearls, and these pretty components and beads from, these were from Burgundy box, and these were from my stash. It's nice and heavy. These lariats are nice and heavy. Loaded down with gemstones. Okay, I gotta package all this jewelry up. What I want to keep and sell. And let's see. Here's one that's made from jasper. Let's see, which way does that lay? Yeah. And that's a little bit of bead weaving with my favorite seed beads and jasper. It looks really nice on. It's different. I think it's different. There's the jasper pendant. And here is the 2 check, I forget what station necklaces I made. There is a tutorial for these on my channel. Okay. And let's see what else. Here's one that I was going to do a tutorial on. This is Paisley Duos and pearls, check pearls, and Tila's. And here is some beadberry bracelets. There's a bracelet. Let's see. Let's see. Just getting some rings out. I forgot that I had made. And here's a beadberry bracelet I made in black and gold. And you know, that it's like a toggle. You just go through the last berry. So there's that and that. And here's one that's made with some check flowers in between the berries. And here's a necklace I made to match that one, a tassel necklace. With a toggle clasp. Alright, and here's the, I'd forgotten about this too. This snowflake necklace. Okay. Here's a Russian leaf necklace I made for my granddaughter. And then I made her extra leaves to swap it out, different colors. I'm not positive. Here. Here's one. The extra leaves. Okay. Here's an earring that I made from one of the Eureka Crystal big collections, and I was going to do a tutorial on that. I thought I'd wait till spring, so that'll be coming up. Here's an earring. I thought I'd do maybe a tutorial on that as well. It's like real wispy. It's made from little bugle beads and seed beads. Here's I made these. I've got tutorials. These have a band with them as well. See, the other band, I think I wore it recently. I don't know what I did with it. And then these little solitaire rings I made. You probably remember I did do a tutorial on those. Here's a little check flower ring. I made with some check drops. That I got at Hobby Lobby, and some fire polish. Here's one ring that I made out of Super Duos, some 3mm bicones, and a fancy stone. And here's a necklace I made from some like bead crochet string. I strung them on that. There's some check rondelles and some 8/0 seed beads and some pinch beads, and I macrameed a closure. And I like to wear it doubled, like this. Okay, so that's the jewelry that I've worked on this winter, and I'll be back soon with a tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.